Coordinate geometry. Equation of a line in slope point form, 2-point form, double intercept form. Equation of a line in slope point form. Let L be the line in xy plane. Let the slope of line L is m and it is passing through the point A, x1, y1. Then we have to find the equation of line L. Let P, xy be any point on the line L other than A, that is A, x1, y1 and P, xy are the points on the line L. Therefore, slope of line L is equals to y minus y1 by x minus x1. But slope of line L is m. Then we get y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equals to m. That implies y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. This is the required equation of line passing through the point x1, y1 and having slope m. Equation of a line in 2-point form. Let L be the line passing through the points A, x1, y1 and B, x2, y2. Then we have to find the equation of line L. Suppose point P, xy is any other point on line L. Slope of AB equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. As P is lying on line AB, then P, xy and A, x1, y1 are 2 points on the line. Therefore, slope of AP is equal to y1 minus y by x1 minus x is equal to y minus y1 by x minus x1. That implies slope of AP is equal to slope of AB. Therefore, we get y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. On simplifying, we get x minus x1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1, which can also be written as x minus x1 by x1 minus x2 is equal to y minus y1 by y1 minus y2, which is required equation of a line in 2-point form. Equation of line in double intercept form. Consider the line L which intersects x-axis at A with coordinate A0 and y-axis at point B with coordinate 0B. That is, OA equals to A, OB equals to B. Let P with coordinates xy be any point on line L. Then slope of line AB is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. That is, B minus 0 by 0 minus A is equal to B by minus A equals to minus B by A. We know that the equation of line AB in slope point form is y minus y2 equals to m x minus x2. Therefore, y minus b equals to minus b by a x minus 0 as y2 equals to b and x2 equals to 0 here. Therefore, y minus b equals to minus b by a into x. Now dividing both sides by b, we get y by b minus b by b equals to minus x by a. That is, x by a plus y by b is equals to 1. Therefore, x divided by x-intercept plus y divided by y-intercept equals to 1, which is the equation of a line in double intercept form. Example: if 4 minus 3 is a point on the line AB and slope of the line AB is minus 2, write the equation of the line AB. Solution: 4 minus 3 equals to x1, y1 point on the line AB and m equals to minus 2. Equation of line AB in point slope form is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. That is, y minus minus 3 equals to minus 2 into x minus 4. Y plus 3 equals to minus 2x plus 8. Therefore, 2x plus y minus 5 equals to 0 is the required equation. Summary: in this subtopic, we have learned about equation of line in slope point form, two-point form and double intercept form. That is all in this chapter. Keep learning.